it's my favorite, the stinky. I have here a 1 sack of rice. Good for my curvy body. Santa Santita, I have a friend.
Natuo may ako kanang mukbang ko ana kanang murag
Korean word lagi.
Korean ba
Hi everyone. Please watch my video. She will say something. Ikaw, you're very quiet. In video she's very quiet, but in person she's But me in person I'm more crazy.
You know how to eat this?
You like that? Eat using their hands though, because she said it's very delicious. First visitor, the sister of the social. She has been visiting me for 1,000 times. My only friend visit me a lot.
The social will eat the head.
I have a visitor. The not social food today. Take a seat, guys. You sit over there. Dari ko kay mag-video ko. Because you wish past few days that you want to eat the dried fish like this, the palutpot, and also the utan. So I grant your wish because I'm a Santa. Santa Santita Bonita. Let's eat! Yay! Oh, my social friend. Okay. Aircon. Oh my God, it's a hole. I don't have aircon. Okay, I will turn on my aircon. I will let the big aircon, the most expensive aircon on earth.
Very nice.
Look, I have a hole. It's a poverty crisis in the Philippines. Okay, sit down, guys.
Bang pa mo. Feed the sausawan. Nahalang. Ano ka ulan ni ngalay bulad. Di mo pwede di mo ka ulan rice.
Sorry guys, I don't have a stick, a selfie stick, a mamo stick, a stick with the tail, with the feet. So that's why it's very difficult. You cannot see what I'm eating. Yeah, bulad.
Bulad.
Let's eat the stinky one. It's my favorite, the stinky.
Update gano sa mukbang.
Si Maria manggod ka ingon.
Natuo may ako kanang mukbang ko ana kanang murag
Korean word lagi.
Korean ba
Hi everyone. Please watch my videos. I have a social friend here. That's a social. I let them. I look like social, but look at my food. Because they've been eating fancy food, like very expensive food, and very social, and now I let them eat the not social food. But it's healthy, guys. I have here a 1 sack of rice. Good for my curvy body.
Oh, this is may introduce nila.
Because they've been talking about this food for a few days ago already. When we
buwas yung suka. Mami ang suka. Mami din sa suka.
Because that's the the suba.
Diba?
Oh, katuma kung di ba kita gaanti ka? Taga.
Ha?
Oh, ini mo na ko. It's pinakorap.
Let's
Let's eat! Mukbang! What's up to Maria Altamia Roborski? I can pronounce his family name. So, I can pronounce her. Shaborski ba?
Red horse.
Jaworski. Maria Altamia Jaworski. I invited you, but you didn't come because you're a social. She's very busy in her YouTube world.
YouTube career.
Yes, me too. Now I'm busy. Let's eat, guys. Mukbang bon appetit. Mukbang bon appetit. Makan yala, makan. Kabalo pag usay makan?
Ano mo na? Enjoy?
Hindi. Kaon po sa Malaysia. Sa Singapore.
Sa mo adagan nagamakan.
Oh, you eat? Oh my God. I want to tell you what's this vegetable. It's a tinunoan gulay. Oh,
Tinunoan utan.
vegetables with gata coconut milk in English. But To make it more social, it's green curry curry.
Green curry, you know.
Green curry. It's like this, ba?
Veggie.
Veggie green curry because it's not really thick.
Where's the curry?
The curry is the coconut, but I don't have the paste, the curry paste. Okay.
Mama, ano?
Mmm.
Yummy,
Yeah.
Lami kayo. Dapat ako'y atbang din sa video. Ay, dili.
Usog, diri mo. Usog, pwede na mag-usog siling.
Hindi, kaya ka na kay Joker.
Okay. She will say something. Ikaw, you're very quiet. In video, she's very quiet, but in person, but me, in person, I'm more crazy.
You know how to eat this?
You're like that. Eat using their hands, because she said it's very delicious. First visitor, the sister of the social. She has been visiting me for 1,000 times. My only friend visit me a lot.
The social will eat the head of the dark fish of the palukpot.
The head of the palukpot. This good, guys.
Then you sausaw this one with the seasoning like this one.
Ada ka tabian on dito clear. Mag-promote ka tayo. Sooner she will make a YouTube too. Watch out.
I teach you how to eat.
The stinky dried fish that foreigner hates, but Filipino love it so much. We can't live without dried fish. I grew up eating this.
We don't grow up if we don't have this one.
You're not Filipino if you don't eat like this. Don't talk in your mouth is wood.
Only me.
The mixed vegetables, there's a lady finger. Okra, lady finger ba? Lady finger, the calabanzos, I don't know the calabanzos is the squash, malunggay, squash. Nalata na siya. Half cook, makumuto ang tigita na. Nalata siya kaya dugo na. Tao naman siya dito.
This is out.
You guys don't taste our food. It's very delicious. It's not a fancy food, but it's very delicious. For us, it's very delicious. And
Kami ka maluto, say. Hindi maluto. Kami na maluto ka ba? May sagtay, mga salad mo.
Di ba, lang talag sa lang kung magluto.
Naman yung sagtay.
They said that I cook delicious. She knew already because she ate my recipe before, but her social sister, it's her first time. She's from the other planet. She visit here in our.
I'm from Venus.
And we're now in Jupiter. She's from Venus. Guys, palutpot ba? You know what is palutpot?
Craving, palutpot craving, guys.
Foreigner, what's this? What's the palutpot? They eat dried fish, the foreigner. When they smell the
But the Filipino, when eat the dried fish, you eat also.
No.
So you eat the stinky one.
No. Dried fish is the most stinky.
You know, bitaw, ilang wife ba? Mostly ang wife nilang mag-chosen ba kayo? Mga dried fish.
You know, that's the way they eat. They always wash their hands. Every few minutes.
Hindi, inanay, bitaw ko. Konsensya ko ba, inikuan niya? Kao na po.
Pwede, gani makaon ha, basin kaingon mo is lemon leaves. I bring it from other planet.
Lemon leaves?
I bring it from the other planet.
Kakuan? Sa Singapore?
Kanang nakuan lagi ko sa ilang mga lasa niya akong gipang figure out sa ilang gipang butang niya daghan man ang baligya dito wala man na diri.
Maudi ay so na ay
unang na-taste ba di ba lahi ra dili ni mo na makit-an diri nga.
Utan dito. Yang utan say kun ati sige kuan nga lahi.
I have some secret recipe. Secret ingredients. Kamu sini?
You see how the baboy eat? The baboy eat like this.
Yeah, eat like this. It is.
No social today. We're a cowboy.
Oh, sige, kutsara atin ni Duruan ng kuan. Ng
Ninununan o kuan kalupot.
kanang palutpot kay katawag social.
Sinunon? The fish with the stinky vinegar. That's my favorite. The stinky one is my favorite.
Na, ninununan si Alex Alberola na din na.
This is good. This is lots of vitamins. Vitamin salt. This is a lot of vitamins. Fiber, vitamin C, calcium, and everything.
Okay.
Calcium. What type of diet? Ano?
Simple lang ni, nahurot nang sa kayahong kanon.
Kaya unang kaya panihapon naman eh. They said it's delicious. I can make a restaurant one day. Karinderya lang muna. Start in a little eatery store. Tastes good.
Yeah, the utan is so good.
Perfect match kaya sa ano. Kita ako yung nag-cheese kuan. Kalupot. Diyan ka napapang-gasol. Alawe?
Adto ko ani gahapon kay. Wala laging we've been talking about palutpot for a few days.
Namusta sa merkado? Wow.
Ako dyan isang ready for today. Para sa inyo.
Nabiya, yun nga.
Because your sister will go going home na, di ba?
Kapit sa 5. Ngayon.
Next day.
Nagay? Ano tayo?
Very fasty. Guys, eat.
Nagyan tayo. Magduruto siya. Guhamon niya ka. Ay, pangatag nilang Maria. Nilang Grace. Ako ang layo naman sa Maria.
Wala naman si Maria. Mga guard na lang. Mga guard. Okay, second round. One pot of vegetables. So much vegetables. Oh, you cannot see because my camera, I don't have the one. Kalit lagi ko ano, kanang bitang mura siya selfie stick nga na siya itiil. I will buy next time if I have money. If the Santa will give me gift. I will buy next time the selfie stick with the feet. So the camera will like goes like that and then they can see the food. But now they cannot really see the food. But I already video walang. Hi guys, what can you say? We don't want to talk because it's very yummy. We want to eat more. The two girls don't talk anymore. Because they're busy with their mouth.
Hindi kayo.
I think I talk a lot in this world. Uy, the vegetables very good. Pero actually, lack na siyang it's lack of coconut milk, but it's still yummy. I'll make it two next time. Because only one, and then napuno bitaw siya, kaya ginadaghan og vegetables.
Lamig di kayo siya. Kaya naka-perfect sa kayo. Na ibulag, na anunan, may asaw na. Kani magkaon sa to, no?
She said she don't replace this in fine dining. It's more delicious than 1,000 per order meal over there in the Shangri-La. In the Shangri-La, in the 5-star hotel. She ate always expensive food, but she's not satisfied. She like this one more. My not social food. Yeah, a lot of people appreciate food that like this. It's not that expensive, but it's still nutritious and delicious.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah?
And it can make your mouth full like this. You cannot talk
And then
anymore.
our fat in the tummy will big tomorrow. I eat all the bones and the head.
Matukan bitong puri na lang tinudlo ni kinauna na. Tabla.
When I eat that fish,
To.
they hate the smell. Next time, I will mukbang a lot of balloon.
Nya kag mukaon nilang Pinay kay mao man gyapon baho.
Lagi. What about the... Paparat. Right. Oh my God. I want to eat more. Yeah.
Hindi ko padaghang kaon.
Oh no. 2 sacks of rice. In the province, I grew up eating vegetables like this.
I finished my rice here.
Full. And I
Now,
now
here
more.
again.
She's sticking her sneaky hands. Oh,
Ow!
get more rice. Rice is life. Rice is Filipino best, like best meal. Every meal have ano. Crunchy, man.
Yes, we eat ano rice. 3
Please
times a day.
like and subscribe. My face is so fatty. Come on, surrender.
Ginaganahan ako ba ang kaming leftover ba? Makita sa shade
Surrender.
Hindi pa kausang shade.
Lagi, surrender. Please surrender. Guys, please like my channel, please. Please view. I will upload more video. Funny one.
Eating palutpot.
Eating balot po. Next time I will video.
Balot Food is Life, ang title.
Next time we go to the balot place and we eat balot and then we vlog. That's how I eat.
That we get the chicks one by one, part by part.
The thick of the balot. Digmat. Bako sa ano. Basta nga naman ako. Wala na. They cannot talk anymore. Shihang. Shihang, she's about to explode. Because we did eat the other day in our restaurant. There is the and then she's been talking about this
Tay,
food.
mag-tripping ka na siya ka ng mga Thai, ang lutoon. Thai dish ba?
Thai, mga Thai salad, mga Thai. No, I love cooking. It's my passion. I don't video my cooking because the memory is very small. And then it takes too long to prepare. Like 2 hours. I don't take video my cooking.
Mamit tayo kaon na.
Ay, pagdala mo. Para inito ninyo ugma. Bring! Ayun na lang na sila sa ubos. Kaya nga no, sunod na lang. Kaya sige, bitaw na ako na sila pagdala. Pagdala mo, kay para unya ugma. Mata ninyo na may kaunon unyang gabi. Take out! I will let them take out. Because it's so many. I cook like 1 sack of... 1 pot, big pot. Ah, gracias.
Kumiyasa?
You wanna see? Sorry guys, because I really don't have a stick. Look. That's the inunon fish with vinegar, chili, garlic, and onion and ginger. Vegetables.
Assorted vegetables.
Mixed vegetables with coconut milk.
We call it
To make
halo-halo
social,
vegetable.
It's green curry and the dried fish and the rice and all our plate is
The plate is, oh my god.
and we still have here. We still have banana. I'm continuing eating the banana. The two ladies sitting down because their stomach about to explode and they haven't eaten yet the banana. Look at my place, it's very poor. My boarding house. Subscribe! Oh.